Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw peanut butter and jelly. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our peanut butter and jelly, let's begin over here and we're going to make the bread. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve around and it's going to come to here. Next we're going to draw this line down. We're going to come over and bring this up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and curve to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve around and come up. Next, let's make another one over here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. And we're going to come to here. We're going to bring this down and over. And let's bring this up right here. Next, let's bring this line down. We're going to come around and we're going to bring this right up to here and stop. Then we're going to curve this line up. Now, let's go ahead and make some of the jelly on here. So let's go ahead and just make a wavy line right around here. And then for the peanut butter, we'll do the same thing. Just make like a wavy line like this. Now let's go ahead and put some faces on here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye, and then we'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Let's go ahead and make a small circle inside of each one, and then go ahead and color this in. Next, we're going to make a mouth. So let's draw a line across, and then we're going to come down and up, and we'll make a little curve. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Let's make a circle, and then let's make a little like winky face over here. We'll put another little circle in here, and we'll just kind of color this in. And then we'll make a little line that curves around like this for like some little kissy lips. Then you can use this as a regular drawing or a Valentine's Day drawing. So if you want to use it for a Valentine's Day drawing, just go ahead and put like a little heart above it for peanut butter and jelly. And there you go. There is your drawing of some peanut butter and jelly on some bread. Getting ready to make a sandwich. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.